No, Toby. See, ligma sounds like lick my. So ligma balls sounds like lick my balls. That's what the joke is supposed to be.
Yes, but that's what I don't get. You're a train, you don't have testicles.
Oh my goodness, it doesn't matter if we're trains or not.
Well, to me, it most certainly does.
Hey guys?
What?
Who's that person on the tracks? How should I know? That doesn't even look like a person.
This is strange. Here, let me go speak to her. Excuse me, miss, but I don't think you're allowed to...
Get snuck upon.
Wait, what?
Yep, he's dead.